In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save video adjustments as presets on CapCut PC. By the end, you'll be able to lock in your favorite color and light settings so you can reuse them with a single click and keep a consistent look across your projects. First, open CapCut on your computer and head into the editor. Give it a moment to load your workspace so all the panels appear properly. Once you're in, you're ready to bring in some footage. Add a video to your timeline. You can import media from your files, or drag a clip straight into the project and drop it onto the timeline. Make sure the clip you want to work on is selected. The adjustments you make will apply to the selected clip, so that selection is important. With the clip highlighted, open the Adjust panel. If you don't see it right away, look for the Adjust option in the editing controls while the clip is selected. Opening this panel reveals the controls you'll use to shape the look of your video. Now adjust the color and the lightness until you get the exact style you want. Start with exposure or brightness to set the overall light level, then use contrast to add separation between lights and darks. Fine-tune highlights and shadows to protect detail, and use whites and blacks if available to set clean endpoints. For color, saturation controls overall intensity, temperature pushes the image warmer or cooler, and tint balances green and magenta. If your footage looks flat, a touch of vibrance can lift muted colors without oversaturating skin tones. Take your time here and watch the image in the preview as you move each slider. Small, intentional changes usually produce the most natural results. When you're happy with the look, scroll to the bottom of the Adjust panel and click Save as Preset. This tells CapCut to bundle your current slider values into a reusable preset. Give your preset a clear, memorable name and click Save. Use names that describe the look and the context, like Warm Outdoor V1 or Cool Studio Soft, so you can recognize it at a glance later. If you plan to create variations, add a version number to keep things organized. That's it. You've created a preset from your adjustments. The next time you edit, you'll be able to apply this saved look in seconds, ensuring consistent color and light across multiple clips and projects. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother, faster color workflow in CapCut PC.